You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this American actor. If you want to learn more confusing celebrity names that many get wrong, mispronounced, make sure to stay tuned. Alright, so let's hear how to pronounce it. Nicholas Chavez. And if you don't believe me, let's hear him say it. This is from a video on L YouTube channel. Let's listen carefully.
My name's Nicholas Alexander Chavez, and today I'm...
Did you hear that? I'll play it again for you. Let's go a little bit further back.
Alexander Chavez, and today...
Chavez, alright, so...
Hey, my name's Nicholas Alexander Chavez, and today I'm going to let L ask me anything.
So you've heard it, Nicholas, and it's actually Chavez, not Chavez. Apparently he says it as Chavez. Nicholas Alexander Chavez. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.